one is 2 and 15 number problem of LeetCode is the medium one. It says that as the input we'll have an array nums and k. We'll have to return the k largest value here. First one is 6 and second one is 5, so we return 5. Here fourth, and actually here 4 is the fourth largest one. Okay, let's jump into the solution. Actually for Python it's pretty simple. We have a library called heap and it has a method n largest method where we'll give the k and nums and return the index, the last index, which is -1, and it should work fine. Let's submit this one. Thank you.